Hello, this is Paul from Bronquiz Sideways, and today's Sideways Daily is on the topic of email forwarding for your PBN. And since yesterday's video were called one-click HTTPS activation, so I decided to make it yet another one-click video. So, and as you will see, that email forward activation will be indeed one-click setup. So, but before I'll show how you to do this, let me explain a little bit why we implemented email forwarding. So when you create a PBN, when you register multiple domains and you're with the intention to build a PBN, of course your main concern is to eliminate any possible footprint. So, and nothing can be more evident that all domains belong to the same user if you have the same owner information that is freely available through any WHOIS server. There are two solutions for this. You either enable privacy protection, and honestly, I don't see the problem with all domains being privacy protected, but there are reports that it's a possible footprint. With all your domains being enabled privacy protection. So the only solution then you have to enter like some fake information. So like to tell that the information that can be matched if someone looking at WHOIS information. And one of the important part of this personal information, owner information, is email. So if you're not using privacy protection, so then you need to use some throwout emails that will be forwarded to your email, and of course it's somewhat a headache. So what we implement in Sideways is the option to activate email forwarding. When you do deploy your site with the email forwarded activation, all emails forwarded to info.domain.com will be sent to info.domain.com will automatically forwarded to your profile email. So it could be not only for privacy protection, you also don't want to miss any information from your registrar sent to your domain. So if you operate, let's say 100 domains PBN, I'm not talking about 3,500 domains PBN. You don't want to deal with so many throughout emails that were just carefully set up and forwarded to your main email. So now you don't need to do any setup. So I go to the network where you have undeployed site. Go to hosting, and you'll see the simple checkbox that says enable email forward. That's it. So if you before you deploy your site, if you enable email forward, you can see on the rollover the information that, like in this case, mydomain.com, all email will be automatically forwarded from info.domain.com to your profile email. So in order to activate it, if you have all your domains already deployed, so you need to go to the control panel, to the dashboard of the domain, go to hosting, and undeploy your site. Then enable email forward, click update, and deploy it again. So this is the advantage of Sideways. Any changes you need to make on the hosting, so you don't need to go to your remote hosting to a specific domain. Any changes made with the Sideways will be propagated to the hosting. The same as you want to remove the hosting, move it to another server. Everything will be done from one control panel. Okay, the site is deployed now. Let's check if it's online. Yeah, it's back online. Now I'm sending email from my account to info@ecachief.com. This is exactly the domain we have. Click send. And you can see in my main inbox that is the same email I use for my profile. You see email from, so the email sent to info@ecachip.com, and it's forwarded to my inbox. So that's all. It's that's simple. So as I said, so you will use email forward. So we still have an option to enable it, not enabled. So it might be up to you whether you want to create this mail exchange record. So of course we create a max record in your DNS if you're technical. If you're interested in technical details, pointing to the same server. So we don't use one generic mail sender that will be considered somewhat as footprint. So the mail exchange record pointing to the same server, and the forward added to catch any email sent to the info@domain.com and forward to your personal email. So I think it's simple enough. You can test. You can tell us what you think. If you have any other ideas, suggestions how we can improve Sideways to streamline your PBN management. And thank you for watching, and thank you for using Sideways.